Welcome to a brief demonstration of our new MySpec project module. Today we're going to be using a generic paint library to demonstrate the system. In front of you you'll see a collection of top coats and primers that will be available for selection, and on the left a simple series of filters which will allow you to navigate and select your specification based on the criteria of the project and your requirements. So we're going to choose a paint for the exterior today, and we are going to be painting wood, and then you'll be using a water-based paint, and we'd like a life cycle of 4 years or greater. And we also tell the system that it's going to be painted on, we are painting on the coast, and the system has now identified 4 paints that qualify based on your criteria. And as I select concrete low sheen, the system now has enough information to allocate the correct primer, give you an estimate per square meter, as well as present a detailed specification based on the manufacturer's data sheets and their specification layout. We can now add this to our specification basket. To this you could add surface preps or another specification, but we're just going to be applying this new coat to a kitchen door. So we're going to open the project, and now the system wants to know where in the project you would like to place this. So we're going to, in our demo project, going to create a kitchen, which we haven't yet, and we're going to allocate that to the kitchen, and we can also add a building element, which in this case will be doors. So we'll check that. Now the system knows that the paint spec that we've chosen is going to the kitchen door, and we can click save, and the system will then open up the project, and you can scroll through to see what you have so far in the project. And as you'll see down below, we have our kitchen door spec for the wood substrate. From there we can click on the details button to see the detailed spec. We can also do some quite nifty things like add images to the different locations. So if we wanted to add a picture to the kitchen to record the sites before or after the job was done, we could do that, and we'd simply add a caption which says after example, and we would check that and say done. You'll see now when we select or generate the document rather, that the picture of that kitchen will be presented, as well as the rest of the document. So there's your header. You can put your logo up here, of course, even the clients, all your disclaimers, cover letters, guarantees that you may want. There's the picture of the kitchen that we just inserted, and then a summary of the scope of works and the specifications that are going to be used, and then the detailed spec starts by substrate and location. So every sheet has its own entry, surface preps, etc., and it carries on until it hits the new substrate, which is wood, and continues as necessary. From here you can email this document straight to the client, or you can download it straight onto your device or laptop and send it straight to the customer. So that's a brief demo of what the system is capable of and the speed at which you can create full specification documents and quotes, which we can show you in a face-to-face presentation. But I hope you enjoyed watching the power of the system, and thank you very much for watching.